Hi kids, alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F. Colors orange, brown, yellow, blue, black, violet, sky blue, light green, pink, red, dark green and pink color. A, A for apple. A, for aunt. B, for ball. B, for bat. C, C for cat. C, for cap. D, D for dog. D, for drum. E, for elephant. E, for eagle. F, for fish. F, for fox. Kids, read again. A, for apple. B, for bat. C, for cat. D, for dog. E, for elephant. F for fox. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.